Hi guys, I'm Miss Chen. Today we're going to learn basic structures. Are you ready? Let's get started. The first structure is the single structure. As you see, this kind of character consists of only one part. We call it single structure. And next one is the left and the right structure. Characters with this structure consist of two parts, one on the left and one on the right. The third structure is the upper and lower structure. Characters with this structure also consist of two parts, but the positions of the two parts are top and bottom. As we've learned before, all Chinese characters can be put into a box or a square. So, if we want to make our handwriting neater, we need to pay attention to the structures of different characters. Here is a small test for you. Please tell me the structures of these characters. I believe you can do it.